Hello friends, I am Shamli Tiwari and I am welcoming you in my new video. In this video, we are going to learn about Newton's laws of gravitation. दोस्तों, क्या आपने सोचा है जो भी चीज़ हम ऊपर फेंकते हैं वो नीचे क्यों आ जाती है? Yes, the correct answer is due to gravitation, means gravitational force. Now, first of all, let us see what is meant by gravitational force. The gravitational force is a universal force and it acts not only between the two objects on the earth but also between any two objects in the universe. Let us now learn about how this force discovered. Okay. Do you remember this figure? Yes, the gravitational force was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. As the story goes, he discovered the force by seeing an apple fall from a tree on the ground. He wondered why all the apples fall vertically downward and not at an angle to the vertical. After much thought, he came to the conclusion that the earth must be attracting the apple towards itself, and this attractive force must be directed towards the center of the earth. The direction from the apple to the tree of the center of the earth is vertical direction at the position of the apple, and thus apples falls vertically. Due to his discovery, we further studied about this universal law, that is law of gravitation. This law states that every object of mass in a universe attracts every other object of the mass with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the separation between their centers. If I have to tell mathematically, let us see. Okay, every point attracts what they say, they are saying that every point mass attracts every single point mass with some force. Okay, this force is directly proportional to what? Product of their masses, means F is directly proportional to what? Product of two masses, m1 and m2. Suppose I am considering m1 and m2, then force is directly proportional to what? m1 and m2, and the force is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. If these are the two bodies, here the distance between their centers is r, and this having mass m1 and this body having mass m2, and it is inversely proportional to what? Square of the distance between them, means r square. Here then what will be the formula? F is directly proportional to let us see here, this is the figure, and F is directly proportional to m1 into m2 upon r square. But if I have to neglect this proportionality constant, then I have to introduce a new proportionality constant, that is g. Here the value of the g means gravitational constant, and the value of g remains constant, that is 6.67 into 10 to the 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, and the value of g is experimentally measured by Henry Cavendish. Okay, so here what will be the equation? Equation will be F is equal to G into m1 into m2 upon r square, where G is the proportionality universal gravitational constant. It can be seen that the value of G is in the gravitational force acting between the two masses kept at a unit distance away from each other, and then its unit will be 6.673, means if m1 and m2 is equal to 1 and r is means the distance separated by is 1 meter, then the value G is equal to what? That is equal to force, and then we can say that the value of G is given by 6.674 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, so from this equation we can again say that if the distance is double, the force decreases by the factor of 4, and if the mass of the object is double, the force between the two objects is also doubles. This is the mathematical term. For example, here this is not only for the two objects, means on the earth, but in the universe also. So I am taking an example of the sun and the earth and the moon. Here moon is of mass small m, and here earth is of mass capital M. Then there is a force between these two bodies, that is that is earth and the moon, and here the distance from their centers are given by r. Here what is this? This is r, and the total force is given by F is equal to G m into capital M upon r square. This is how the gravitational law is proven. Let us see why why the gravitational law is important of human life. After the discovery, Newton's law is enabled to the general public for the awareness of the force in the nature, which were ignorant, and it led to the better understanding of the world, especially for the space, and it also helps in the Einstein's theory of relativity. Thank you.